Hello, I'm Tom Hodson. I'm the product manager for fasteners for Senco. Today we're going to talk about our 34-degree paper tape framing and sheathing nail. Kind of a brief history behind that. When pneumatic nailers first came out, they had some way to collate these nails. And what they did was they made a strip and they clipped the head of the nail. And as an example, I have the original. Clip the head of the nail so you can stack the shanks together so it fits in a tool. At that time, they started calling it a clipped head. And on a clipped head, it's kind of a D-headed nail. And everybody had that manufacturing process, everybody used that. And over the years, there's been some improvements. As we got probably into the early 90s, there was a lot of push to get to what's called an offset full round head. Senco in 1998 developed a head that kind of blended a D-headed nail and an offset full round head nail, and we called it our Pro Head. The Pro Head has the best of both worlds. It's a very robust head design. There's not as much of a clip, so really you don't have a clipped-headed nail. It's, again, a pro-headed nail. And this was made so we can fit into every tool. We listened to our customers and said, hey, we want any type of new nail, we want to go to any tool that we have on a job site. So when we developed the pro-headed nail, that fit that criterion. It's a great nail, again, very robust head design, and we're going to talk a little bit about how heads and nails in the process to make this. We make these in Cincinnati, Ohio. And the way we make it, our manufacturing process is called rod in, box out. And what that does is, as the rod comes into the machine, it comes right in and it forms the head. There's two dies that come on and it creates the head design. And it comes out, collates it, and lays it inside the box. It's called a clean wire process. In clean wire process, we have more adhesion to our tape. So more adhesion to your tape means better strip integrity. Better strip integrity helps you when you're out into the field and you have some high humidity, high heat. This tape will not come off. Only when it's supposed to is when you drive it with one of our framers. Now, also on this nail, we have Senco. Our Senco is a proprietary coating. What that proprietary coating does is when you get into very hard substrates, or even when you're using a framing nail, or again, think about the old days where you hammered it in, right? Well, today you have one stroke to put that nail in. So it's very hard to do. So you have to put some type of coating on it that gives you type of lubrication. This coating came out early in 1967, and over the years we've improved it. The improvements have become more environmentally safe as a water-based adhesive and lubrication. So what happens is when I drive the nail into an application, the nail heats up because there's a lot of velocity and a lot of heat generated. That heat generated makes the Senco melt. When it melts, it becomes a lubrication. The lubrication allows you to have better drives into hard substrates. Now, when it gets into the wood, it also helps with withdrawal because it becomes an adhesive. Because you don't want to keep that lubrication factor, you want to have to become actual adhesive. So it gets in the wood, it becomes and it stays in there all the time. If you ever try to pull one out, it's very difficult to do, believe me. As we start moving forward, and we're always improving here at Senco, we have developed a round strip nail, which is an offset full round head nail. Now the offset full round is a little more rounder, and what we've done is we gave the same robust head design as we did on the Pro Head. And what happens when you make a nail, when it comes in and you have to form that head, as you try to get more and more material out, it thins. If you notice, some offset full round head nails become really thin at the end. What that does is it gives you very low head integrity. Low head integrity causes the head to crack. If the head cracks, therefore it doesn't work. So we're coming out with our Pro-headed round strip nail, very robust head design, has the same features and benefits, clean wire process, good adhesion to the tape, the Senco going through the nailer to help with joint connection and withdrawal. With our collated nails and our 901, 951, 34-degree paper tape nails, great systems. If you want to have great performance and consistent drives, this is for you.